Alright guys, so we're putting reading light this side, one that side. I'm going to put it here, look at here, because my big head will bang off and break it. So I'll put it right here. I'll put one similar measurements. Alright guys, that's her installed there. Now I'll do the other side. Just got a wired in there. Well, morning guys. Right. Today, I'm going to finish off the wiring for the lights of the bed. Then tie up the wiring. So I'm lifting the bed off. And the big plyboard I have, that's the mattress sits on, lifting it up out of the way so I can get in there. I'm not crawling around inside the thing again. The other day there, more or less did my head in. So that's our mission for the day. So we've got the solar panels up installed. It's all wired in and running. Everything's going good. Plenty of amps and plenty of watt power. We've got the lights on here installed, working. We have the lights in the bathroom installed and working. And now I'm just going to, we've drilled in yesterday, we drilled in the 2 reading lights above the bed. They're wired up, we're just going to wire them into the power now and then finish off all the wiring, make them tidy it up, that kind of stuff. Put some shrink wrap around it or heat wrap. Alright, so let's get started. Let's get these screws out. Right. That's one over here. And this one over here. Taking all of my tools out because you have to put them all back and it's a mess. I'm just putting up this stuff in. Alright guys, you can see in the back here, just got to bring this down. Everything's all wired in. We'll see the rest later. Just getting me back tonight now. And we'll close this lid down. Put the mattress back in. Screw down, well, put this down, screw it in place, and then fill the mattress back in. And then I'll show you the lights and everything else, what's working and what I did. Alright? It was about, I'd say 3 hours messing around here. Pain in the ass. Just tidying things up, tying the wires up and cutting down a bit and rehooking up. So guys, when you think you're all done, down below's done. The bottom's on. It's pushed further in, so it's not this way. You'll see here. So I hit this one over there. It's just slightly touching here. When you're on the bed, I'm just gonna put these cables up. You see in there? Put these cables up and behind there. So that's the next job I've got to do. Same thing in here. If I can clean it out, I forgot that bit. So let's get a part done. Okay, guys, that's the wiring done. Let's turn it sideways so you can kind of see. And it runs all the way up behind this panel here. Alright, it runs all, so that panel goes all the way through. Right the other side. And I got our panel along the other side, you see. I can take it off anytime I want and then run extra wires up through the front of the garage here, up the back, up through any side I want. And you don't see anything anywhere. You know what I mean? Alright, let me get this vacuum in. I've got a pack of tools up, vacuum, then I'll put the bed back into place and then I'll show you what I did. Alright, catch you there guys, cheers. The awning guys, handle, or winder, it clips under here. Is that done? Now the mattress. Look at that guys, it's a king size mattress from, I got this from IKEA. Really good, real good one, heavy as hell. Okay guys, so what we've done is solar panel 140. I go for that size because it's narrower than my 150. So I guess I said earlier 150 was 650 mil and the 140 was 450 mil. So that's why I had to go with that one. Anyway, did the lights, run the wires down, got the lights all working, I'll show you in a second. Ran down the solars all through here. The wiring came down through here, and I'll show you down below. So the wiring came through here, and then it goes as a C-Tech. If you're looking something for solar panel, split charge type of thing, charge up the batteries, charges up the front battery, everything, go with a C-Tech. And then all the way back, and it all runs the way back. Well, good morning guys. Right, day one, you saw me put the lights in, the strip light behind, and the bathroom, and run the wires. Day two, put up the solar panel because I had a decent bit of weather. it was cloudy. Started off sunny, but ended up cloudy. Day 3, we lifted the bed up, tied up the wires, hooked up the lights, so now we have power. The new leg for the table came. We're going to cut a bit of the carpet back. We're going to glue, liquid nail and screw a wee slot, a wee bit of wood, by an inch by I say half an inch by an inch. Carpet that, glue that, plus screw to onto the side of the van, and that'll be. Then we'll screw the rail for the table to that, so now the dog can't pull it off. It gets a good fixing, and then install the leg. That's what we're going to do today, and I may tie up the back, the lip of the back of how the doors are. Just give it a quick spray, Rust-Oleum silver spray I have along the bottom. Guys, just gonna run some spray paint just to clean this up. Scuff marks. You can pretty even see it. See some of the scuff marks here. There's a little dirt that sticks off. Get it up. So guys, just gonna run some spray paint just to clean this up. Scuff marks. Pretty easy to see it. See some of the scuff marks here. There's a little dirt that sticks off. Get it up. Guys, that's it taped up. The block's taken off. It's taken off. Right, let's get sprayed. Alright guys, we'll let that dry and we will do the table now. Put this on, carpet it, screw it in place, glue it in, we're done with it. Alright, that's our carpet. That's the new one. That's also adjustable. That's made by Remo. Alright, let me get set up here. Okay guys, this is the bar. See what it touches to. So you want to make just a little longer. Give you something good to. Just a little longer. Give you something good attached to. Let me cut this first. Next step. Next step is carpet. So it's not going to be long enough with carpet, so we'll go diagonal. Right guys, when you're buying the trim adhesive, make sure you get the high temperature one. It's get to 120 degrees or Celsius, degrees Celsius. Anyway, you don't want the glue falling off or the carpet falling off the van when you're in some hot country. That'll fix to the wall better. And it'll also let the gap along here. So we're putting glue along here, liquid nails, and then we'll cut a slice in the carpet too. So it's going to be bonded plus screwed. So really good fixing. Okay guys, get in here. That's the table done. You can see the piece of wood, it's a lot stronger than the ply. So it's glued and screwed and carpeted. So I'll make a better job. And the knee leg adjustable. Alright guys, next thing to do, table's finished, is this perspex. Put a sheet of perspex now. I've got big long legs and my rough old gnarly feet rubbing this. So my idea is, I go in here, the feet hit the carpet. I don't want to make the carpet all like bally. So I've got the perspex. I'll put a piece of perspex up here, right along here at the bottom. Oh, right at the bottom where I lie, and it won't mess up the sides. Alright. So we'll put a couple of wee brass screws in. Easy boys here. Wee round heads. So let's get it done and get this thing finished.